This is a video on how to scan homework using Google Drive, especially if you have more than one page, using an Android phone or a tablet. If you have an iPhone or an iPad, I would recommend using the Note app, and I have a second video for that. So the first thing you want to do is make sure in your Google Drive that you have a folder maybe for each class. That way you can keep everything organized and you know where you're putting the assignments and where to find them when you get back into Canvas. You're going to click on the folder you want to upload into. Once you're in that folder, you're going to click on the plus sign. It's going to be down in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and select Scan. So I'm going to go to my to my Drive. And again, if I wanted more than one, if I didn't have a folder, I could hit this plus and it would add folders. But I have my folders, so I'm going to go to my folder I want to add into. So I'm going to add it into this folder. Once I get into that folder, again, you're going to hit there's the plus sign, and we want to click Scan. That's what we want, Scan. And now I'm going to scan my page. And when I'm doing that scan, you want to make sure that these little trees are the direction that you want the scan to be. So I want it to be going straight up and down like a regular piece of paper. If they are like this, okay, I would actually be doing it sideways, okay? So you want to make sure that those are pointing up. Okay, so I'm going to scan this. Scan this, I know it's blurry. Turn that lamp off while I do that. Okay, and then I'm going to click OK. And then here, I would click that. That's to crop and to make sure that you got the whole page. And if you didn't, you can move it so that you get the whole page in there. So let me get that. I'm going to click Done. And then click this little palette. And this palette, what I'd like to do is I use color. So that's going to look like the original, okay, that you did. Now I'm not going to click Save unless I am totally done. I'm going to add in another page. So again, I don't want separate ones for each of your, let me get rid of that for a second. I want all of them on one PDF. So I just scan that one. Let me get that lamp back on. Okay. And I'm going to hit OK. Again, you can see that it doesn't have the whole thing, so I'm going to hit that and I'm going to pull it over and make sure that I get that whole page in. Click Done. I'm going to go to the palette and click Color. So let's say I had these 2 pages and that was it. If I had more, I would continue to click plus and keep adding those in. But let's say I'm done. I'm going to click Save. And when I'm doing this, okay, I just clicked it. I could have named it there. I forgot to name it. So I'm going to name it. I'm going to come here and I can click Rename. So I'm going to rename it with, let's say, Practice Assignment. Practice Assignment. Okay. So now it's right there, Practice Assignment, and you can see that it's all on one PDF. Okay, so now that's there. And when I want to upload it from Canvas, I can go to that folder on my Google Drive and collect it from there.